Griffzilla Garage. I got a special one for you guys today. I'm gonna show you the end result of what I did to make this 1996 KTM 300 EXC, two-stroke, two-smoke, popping wheelies, hair on fire, street legal. All right, so check this out. If you don't have an older style KTM, this may not pertain to you, but I want you to take this approach if you get to a similar situation. See, this traditionally has the normal style forks. I couldn't find bushings for those, so I went ahead and bought a set of forks off eBay for a 2003 KTM EXC and had Jordan over at Fuel Power Sports go ahead and build me this awesome inverted set. So, and it was about 300 bucks for him to build it, 300 bucks for the used triple clamps, you know, with the shocks. I think I came out on top with that. This is an awesome setup. That being said, you don't need to change your whole front end to be street legal. But say you got a 1997 Honda CR250 and you can't find front end parts for it. Well, don't give up just yet. Go ahead and do some research, whether it be at your local shop or online, and see what swaps over. Because you may be able to do a cool upgrade, possibly save some money. And so what I did with this bike, you could do with any bike. The purpose of this video is that if you need help, I'm here to help you. You can let me know what you like, dislike, or would like to add, making your bike street legal. That doesn't mean just lights, camera, action, you know, no. It's lights, horn if you want it, and most importantly, title and tags. Let me show you some of the highlights of this. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I love this stuff. Of course, Topo Chico and Coca-Cola won't sponsor me because I'm a little too unwoke. But you can send me, you know, 14 bucks so I can buy stuff. It's going to a good home. Saying Griff's from Topo Chico. El Topo Chico. You getting ready to go ride? Well, traditionally, you start your bike and you've got, you know, automatic lights that come on and stuff. Not so much with this, but that's part of it being, you know, looking track ready. Check this out. All right, so you're getting ready to go ride. Just reach down here and boop, boop, put your power on. That's your regular daytime running light. You need a little bit more oomph. Boop. If you want a horn, got this little bad boy right here, which is, and we mounted that right back here. You could be the only guy on the track honking your horn as you're racing around. All right, so with your power source on, you got your tail light back here, a brake light. And then we've got those two 8mm out on this bike. Pop your seat up. With the seat up, we've got our rechargeable battery right here. Just taped the battery over here on the side, out of the way, and ran all of our electrical just right next to the air filter. T-Rex tape. This stuff's awesome. Okay, rechargeable battery. So I gotta pop the seat off every time to go ahead and charge the battery? No, you don't gotta do any of that. And look at this. This looks factory. Pop off your little cap, and there it is. Plug in your adapter. When you plug it in, it's gonna show a green color. When you go to charge it, it will turn red. And then as soon as it's charged up, it's gonna go ahead and change to the green color again. Switches or buttons like the horn and the high beam light, I bought that stuff off of Amazon. You don't have to buy some complete kit. Buy what you need and then put it together. This is awesome. It's not fuel injected, but it's as close as you're gonna get for a 1996 KTM. They do awesome work. I highly recommend the Smart Carb, guys. I don't know if these originally came with the kickstand. I wouldn't know because I couldn't afford one when I was in high school. But I do know I wanted one so I could ride it around town. I couldn't find one online. I couldn't even find a universal application. Once again, God's blessed me with an awesome ability. It's like my hand's been touched by God. Check this out. I made a kickstand setup for this. I bought this kickstand and it had more of an assembly with it that went with the spring. It did not mount right up to this bike. So this little hook here, I cut that off of a Harbor Freight ATV jack. welded it on here, used the spring that came with this old KTM kickstand, and hooked it up. Most important part, tag and title. Hit up Dirt Legal. It's awesome service, $300, they'll get you title and tags. Hey, I hope this video helped you out. If you have questions, comments, let me know. If I can walk you through the process, hit me up, we'll figure it out together. And that's it, man. I'm not Richard Rawlings or Diesel Brothers. I actually do this stuff.
I'm getting awesome, you're getting awesome.